Hey, Hunter. Hey, buddy. He's gone deaf and blind. It's kind of sad. So it's one of those things where once the tree is gone, it's gone. So we're going to be taking down this tree right here. It's just a white pine. And I've kind of managed it for a while to try to just give it a nicer look. But because of its placement towards this pear tree, it's just a big struggle. And I've kind of been trimming back this white pine to try to give a little bit more room for the pear tree. It's gonna look kind of bare. But like I said, this is their decision. This is what they want to do. So once the tree is gone, it's gone. So just give a look at what it looks like right now. We got a white pine right there, white pine there, pear, pear. This is what it looks like now, and let's cut it out. Partially gone. You can see how much it opened it up. I don't know, but it was their decision, not mine. It's just this poor pear tree is just going to look so lopsided right now. But again, this is what they want. We shall see. I'm just going to move the pup, get him out of here. I don't want him to be in the way. Don't want the poor little pup to get hurt. So like I said before, once it's gone, it's gone. There's no going back. unless somebody wanted to run out and stop me. So it looks like it is going to take forever for this pear tree to grow in, if it ever does. There's just so much sun in here now, it's going to bake this ground. I don't know. But so there's a stump. I'm going to dig it out all around, kind of deep cut it, and then just drag it in the woods and it's done. Here's the remnants. A couple little stump pieces or trunk pieces, a bunch of branches. Drag them all and toss them in the woods. Looks like you could just park another car in there. Actually, you could just park my truck in there now. So you can see what it looks like over my head. Kind of do a round trip around the woods right there. Go in through, like there's a entrance over there, and I just drag the branches all down in there. And sometimes I just kind of loop my way back up, just to keep things exciting. Ta-da! Now I just gotta dig out right here, and then saw it down and in, pull the stump out, throw it away. Kind of had a thought too. So these are the tools that I've got: just a regular axe, pickaxe, a couple of spade long-handed shovels, one with a serrated blade. My thought was, if I can cut this down enough, maybe grab a hold of some of its good-sized roots, have Big Black assist with the tear out. I don't know. We'll see what the root condition's like. Take it from there. So you can see everything's all excavated out, all around. Chopped that root already. Just gonna cut these roots. Got a couple of good-sized roots on that side, and I think there's some roots under there, but Big Black will be able to rip that up. So that should do it. This is the plan. Hook the strap up to Big Black. See what it can do. Hey, Hunter. Look at that. Nice and easy. Love it. Ripped out, courtesy of Big Black. That's for me. stump is ripped out. Thank you, Big Black. Ripped out a good amount of stump, right? Right there. Big Black. Big Black always doing work. Cool. Now just unstrap it. Semi-finished product. Get a look now. So you can see that it's a lot better than what it was. The only thing that I don't like is we've got a big gap here now. Like I said, for the past couple of years, I've kind of been trying to semi-prepare for them to tell me to go ahead and rip it out. It looks all right. It was spaced out to have 4 trees, so now we've got a direct line of sight to that mulch bed right there. I think what I want to do, maybe on this mulch bed right here, this is actually going to be extended out. I'm going to make this bigger, because obviously there was a lot of affected ground that was right here. Still some root system right there, but when I just, you know, re-edge it out, bring it out, nice swoop out here, maybe incorporate it over here, we'll see. Set it up for my 52-inch mower. Skag V-Ride 2. Still got to put a little bit more loam in that section right there. I was able to bring that up just a touch. There were a bunch of roots that were in there from that pine tree that's over there. So that's all squared away now. It's looking all right. I mean, this little area, there's no irrigation. There used to be irrigation years ago, but kids kept on stealing the heads. At least that's what I believe I was told. So anyway, Big Black did its job as usual. So this truck works hard. Truck works harder than I do. And it's got the rot to prove it, which that's all getting squared away. But yeah, loaded with stuff. Ton of oil, because Big Black needs oil every day. You know, it's got Hunter Bunter right there. Hey, puppy, what you doing, you good boy? I don't even know if he can hear me. Hunter, yeah, he heard that. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Love you, buddy. I know he couldn't hear that. So I had water for him for today. So, all right, so that's it. Just a simple, easy little removal of a tree. Trying to make things look a little bit better. I still need that pin. All right, we're off. Door number 1. And we're in. Hey, pup. Good boy. You good boy. At some point, these mirrors aren't going to be looking like this anymore. Almost forgot my water. Can't leave that. Make it look like I'm littering here. Hunter. He's my boy.